This question belongs to Triple E. Question is, an award-winning study by a group researchers suggests that men are as prone to buying on impulse as women, but women feel more guilty about shopping. Which one of the following statements can be inferred from the given text? Option A given, many men and women indulge in buying on impulse. Option B is given, all men and women indulge in buying on impulse. Option C is given, few men and women indulge in buying on impulse. Option D is given, some men and women indulge in buying on impulse. It is very clear from the given paragraph. What is given? An award-winning study by a group researchers suggests that men are as prone to buying on impulse as women, but women feel more guilty about shopping. So from this I can say that, so in that statement anywhere it is not mentioned about many, all, few, that terms didn't appear. So from that given paragraph, so the proper answer will be some men and women indulge in buying on impulse is the right answer. So the right option will be D.